Damn, this good shit! Fuck! Okay, we are sitting here with Danny. Yes, I know that. A Tourette syndrome sufferer for over 30 years. It's embarrassing as fuck! Today is November 18th, 2004. Just like to ask a few questions. My grandpa died 15 years ago! Nobody gave a shit! Okay, who were some of your childhood heroes? Fuck you! Ah, shit! I think it's a damn phone.
One eternity later.
Oh, shit! That's disgusting!
Well, now that that's over with, can you tell me what the A stands for in your middle name?
Your ass! Okay, where were you born? I don't have time for this bullshit!
Danny, look out.
What? Oh, shit!
Watch where you're going.
Emma,